Boba is a small ball of tapioca starch that originated in Taiwan. Tapioca starch is made from the cassava root that grows in tropical regions around the world and originated in South America. In the early 1980s, Liu Hanqi created boba and the idea of serving tea cold. In the 1990s, boba was introduced to North America and Asia. In the early 2000s, boba grew more popular, being made in many different flavors in many different places. Since then, boba has been pretty common. It has grown so common that there is even a National Boba Day, celebrated on April 30th. A pretty fun fact about boba is that the largest cup of boba ever made was 180 US gallons. It contained 45 gallons of tapioca pearls, 8 gallons of liquid sugar, and 11 gallons of milk powder. It was created by Mihara Kaigo in Taipei, Taiwan on November 3rd, 2018. I won't be teaching you how to make that much boba, but I will be teaching you how to make a smaller amount. Here's how. First, you need 1.5 tablespoons of tapioca starch. Then you need a 1/3 cup of water. Then you need a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Then you mix it, and then you put it in the microwave for a minute. Slowly. That smells foul. Now you gotta microwave it for a minute. Now it is in the microwave, and we must close the microwave and do it for a minute, and then it'll like cook or something. I don't know. Beep! It is ready. You want it to be this consistency. Then you want to gradually keep adding tapioca starch until it is the right consistency. Knead it with a spoon until it has cooled down, then knead it with your hands. It looks like an alien fetus. Oh. This is a mess, like my mental health. Ooh. Okay. So this is what not to do. Take it out before it's like fully ready. Because it's not fully ready and it's really sticking to my hands. I am a professional. Look at how professional this looks. And if it doesn't work, I might cry. And once you have this consistency, you're gonna like take it and roll it into balls like this. And that's gonna take up forever. What am I doing with my life? This is a very, very, very long process. We almost done! Yay! The bobas are bobaing, as you can see. This is how they look. They look very weird right now, but they're gonna look better later. Now all of the bobas are ready. It is time to boil them. Water. Now it is time to turn on the stove. Now kids, Don't do this at home without an adult. I got an adult. It's my cameraman. I want to thank my cameraman for being a cameraman and doing cameraman things. Now it is time. Yay! My boba. Yes, very good soup. While we're waiting for the bobas to finish, we're gonna make the tea, which is really easy. This is brown sugar syrup, which is just brown sugar and water. We're gonna add some of that to our cute little cup. And then we're gonna add some whole milk. Gordon Ramsay. And then we have this. And then we gotta get our reusable boba straw and put it in, and then we have tea. We are cleansing the bobas and washing them of all of their sins. Take them and put them in the brown sugar water, and we're gonna let that soak for 10 minutes so that the bobas can absorb the brown sugar water's power and become brown sugary. Okay, now that the boba is ready, it's been 10 minutes, and look at how gorgeous they are. Cameraman, come here. Look at that. Don't that look appetizing? We're gonna put it in the milk. Oh my god, this looks so good. Yay! And now we got our boba. It's time to taste it. Made by Gordon Ramsay himself. That's me. I'm Gordon Ramsay. And that's how you make boba. Boba bloopers. Is it recording?
Yes.
Restart it. Stop. Stop. No. I'm not good at this. Okay. Boba is a small round ball of tapioca starch that is typically made from the... Wait, I messed up. Restart it. See you watching this, Kellen. I see you. I see you watching this. I'm a moose. I'm a moose. I'm a unicorn. Wah. I'm not okay. Cut.